ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಸಂಖ್ಯಾಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಸರಾಸರಿ ಮೀನ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಮೀನ್ ಏಜ್ ಇನ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬಿಲೋ. Class interval in years and frequency. This is the column of class interval and this is the column of frequency. Now 25 to 29, 4, 30 to 34, 14, 35 to 39, 22, 40 to 44, 16, 45 to 49, 6, 50 to 54, 5, 55 to 59, 3. Now we have to find the mean for this frequency distribution. Now let us go to the next solution page for this. Dear students, now let us solve the problem. Class interval is given, that is 25 to 29, frequency is 4, means there are 4 items from 25 to 29. 30 to 34, there are 14 frequency is 14 here. 35 to 39, 22, 40 to 44, 16, 45 to 49, 6, 50 to 54, 5, 55 to 59, 3. Totally, if you make it total, we get 70. Now we have to find the midpoint of each of the class interval. How? 25 and 29. What is the midpoint of this class interval? First, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. There are 5 items. So, in the middle, there is what? 27. 27. How to find it in another way? How to find it the other way? It is simple. That is, you have to add 25 and 29. 25 plus 29 divided by 2. How much? You will get 27. How? 25 plus 27 is how much? Now, in the same way, we have to get the midpoint of the class interval 30 to 34. How much? That is 32. Now, midpoint of 35 to 39. How much? That is 37. Now, midpoint of 40 to 44. What is that? 42. 42. 40 to 45, how much? 47. And 50 to 54, that is 52. And the midpoint of the class interval 55 to 59, that is 57. Now we have to assume a mean. Now we have numbers 27, 32, 37, 42, 47, 52, 57. Out of these numbers, we have to assume one number that stands for assumed mean. I select this 42 as assumed mean A. Now, what we have to do next? Now we have to fill up this column. How? Here, deviation is given. Deviation formula is xi minus A. What does A mean? So, A means the assumed mean. How? So, xi minus 42. xi minus 42. 42 is the assumed mean. Now, we have to go on subtracting this 42 from each of these numbers. 27 minus 42, how much? That is minus 15. Minus 15. You have to do it. 27 minus 42. You have what is the bigger number? 42 is a bigger number, and 20 is a smaller number. You have to you are subtracting a bigger number from the smaller number, and you will get a minus sign. So it is minus 15. Now 32 minus 42. How much? 42 minus 32. That is 10. What is the bigger number? Bigger number is 40. The bigger number is 42. Now you have to subtract. You are subtracting bigger number from the smaller number, so it is minus 10. Now 37 minus 42. How much? That is minus 5. Now now 42 minus 42. That is 0 itself. Now 47 minus 42, that is you will get positive number, that is 5. 52 minus 42, you will get 10. Now 57 minus 42, you will get a 40, you will get 15, that's a positive number. Now, the last column must be filled up. How? We have to multiply this column by this column. 15 fours are how much? Minus 16. No, minus 60. Minus 10 into 14, that is minus 140. Minus 140. And 22 into 5 is how much? Minus 110. 40, this one 16 into 0, that is 0 itself. 6 into 5, you know, that is 30. 5 into 10, that is 50. And 3 into 15, that's 45. Now you have to make a total of all these numbers, the positive numbers and negative numbers separately. What does it mean? 60 and 140, you will get 200, 200 and 310. 200 and 310, in the side you have to write 310, that has minus sign because we are adding these negative numbers together. Now below here 30, 50 and 45. 30 plus 50, how much? 80, isn't it? 80 plus 40, how much? 120, 125. It is 125. 125 is a positive number. What you have to do? What is the bigger here? Minus is bigger. Minus number, that is negative number is bigger, isn't it? So we have to subtract this smaller number from the bigger number, and we will get the sign of minus. That's a bigger number. What is that? 10 minus 5, that is 5. 0 here, it is 0. Now we have to take 1 from here, that is 10. 10, that is 8. Now what is remaining here? Only 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So minus 185 is answer here. Minus 185, right? Now here, now we have to write all these things, all the things we have done here. First we have to write the assumed mean. What is assumed mean here? Assumed mean, that's what I have taken, that is A as 42. So A means 42. What does A means? A means the assumed mean. Now what is the number of frequency here? Frequency, that is summation Fi. Here we have to write summation Fi. We don't, you should not forget it. Fi is 17, and here is one thing we have to write, that is summation Fi into Di, means this is the product of all F's and D's. Now Fi is how much? That is 70. Now we have to make use of one formula, that is U, that is you have already known. One more thing we have to write here, that is summation Fi Di is equal to minus 185, right? Now what? Now there is a formula for mean. Mean is equal to x bar, that is equal to A plus, here we have to write x bar is equal to A plus summation Fi Di divided by summation Fi. What is the assumed mean? That is A here, that is 42. That is here we have written it, we have selected it. So 42 plus summation Fi Di. What is that? Summation Fi Di is also given here, that is minus 85, minus 185 divided by how much? Summation, that is 70. Now we have to calculate this without using any calculators. Here we have to divide 185 by 70. We get 2.64, and there is one thing remaining here. We don't have to continue like that. 42 minus 2.64. Now we have to write 42.00 minus 2.64. Now let us see how much we will get. 10 minus 4 is 6. Now it is 3, and 42, what is this? That is 39. So answer, not 39, that is 30. 42 minus 40. So the right answer is 39, 39.36 is the right answer. If any such question comes, you have to follow this method. Okay? Wish you all the best.